second part of this topic, that is known as fitting of second degree parabola. Fitting of second degree parabola. Now, how to do this question? Let us start question number 14. See the question. Fit a second degree parabola to the following data and estimate the population of year 1981. We have information about population for few years: 1974, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. And on the basis of this data, we have to estimate the population for the year 1981, but not by using straight line, by using second degree parabola. There is a difference. It's the same data you can fit for a straight line, and here it is given that use second degree parabola. So we don't have any option, we have to use this method only to solve this question. Now what we have to do in this method? Let us start. Question number 14. You have to write in exam like this. Suppose y equal to a plus bx. See, this is linear trend, but because it's second degree parabola, you have to write one more thing. So y equal to a plus bx plus cx square is the equation of second degree parabola. This is also known as quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. So either you can say that second degree parabola or quadratic equation, where a, b and c are constants. By using least square method, we get following 3. Why 3? Because there are 3 constants. So in second degree parabola there are 3 normal equations. So by using least square method we get following 3 normal equations. You are familiar with 2 normal equations for the straight line. Anyone can say that 2 equation of straight line? 2 equations of straight line. Any of you know?
One is sigma x, sigma y is equal to na plus bx, and the second is sigma xy is equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x square.
Correct. So the same thing you have to write here, but one step more you have to write in each equation. 1 sigma y equal to na plus b sigma x plus c sigma x square. That is our equation 1. Then here you have to write c sigma x cube. That is equation 2. And here you require one more equation. So what you require to do? Just multiply this by x. In that way you can learn. So we can say that it is sigma x square y equal to a sigma x square plus b sigma x cube plus c sigma x raised to 4. So this is our equation 3. So we have a 3 normal equations. So now what we require. So first thing, summation of y, summation of x, then summation of x square, summation of x cube, summation of x raised to 4, then sigma xy and sigma x square y. This much calculation we require, and by calculating that and substituting that values in this 3 equation and solving that 3 equations, we are able to get the value of a, b and c. And once we have value of a, b and c for the given value of x, you can estimate the value of y. So now we require sigma x, sigma y, sigma x square, sigma x cube. So for that we require data, and here information means data is given. Year is given 1974 year. 1974, 1975, 1976. So we have a data for 7 years, and the population in terms of lakhs is given 6, 8, 10, 12.5, 15, 18, and 21.
21.
Yeah. Now, once we have this information, you can consider this as X and this one as Y, because we want to find out the population for the given value of year, means X, that is 1981. So for 1981, what is the population? That is our question. And it is given that use the second degree parabola. Now we know that instead of taking this as X, it's better to take X equal to, now tell me what we would write X here? Year minus, which year we have to subtract to reduce the calculation?
97.
Which year?
97.
1977.
1977.
Correct. So what we get here? 1974 minus 1977, we get here minus 3. Here we get minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So because of this, we get the total of X is 0.
0.
So yes. What is sigma Y?
सब फाउंडेशन का मैथ है
90.5.
90.5.
90.5.
Okay, so now we have two things, sigma X, sigma Y, and N is number of years, that is what? 7 years. So we have sigma X, sigma Y, and N. Now we require summation of X square. So let us calculate X square, then after X cube, then after X raised to 4. Then we require X into Y and X square into Y. But let us calculate first of all this. So X square minus 3 square. So we get 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9. And total of
28.
28. Now X cube. So we have to X cube of this. So minus 3 cube minus 27. Or you can multiply these two numbers. 9 into minus 3, because X into X square, that is X cube. Here we get minus 8, minus 1, 0, 1, 8, 27. And summation of X cube, obviously it is also 0 because of the same number in a different sign. Now X raised to 4, that is nothing but square of X square. So take the square of X square. So 9 square, 81, 16, 1, 0, 1, 16, and 81. So we get sigma X raised to 4.
196. 196. 196.
Perfect. Perfect. Now we require two more column. One is X into Y, another one is X square into Y. So X means this one and Y means this one. So simply multiply these two numbers. 6 into minus 3, we get minus 18. 8 into minus 2, we get minus 16. And minus 10. 12.5 into 0 is 0. 15 ones are 15. 18 twos are 36. And 21 threes are 63. And add this number, we get sigma xy. What is it? Once again?
70. 70.
70.
70.
Okay, okay. Now x square into y. So you have a choice. You can multiply x square with y, or else this xy with this x, or better to do this calculation, x square into y. So 9 into 6, 54. Then 8 into 4, 32. Then 10 into 1, 10. Then 0. 15 into 1, 15. Then 18 into 4, 72. And 21 into 9, 189. So we get sigma x square y equal to, yes, tell me,
372.
372. So now we have n sigma x, sigma y, sigma x square, sigma x cube, sigma x raised to 4, sigma x y, and sigma x square y. And now use the equation from equation 1. From equation 1. Our equation 1 is something like this: sigma y equal to na plus b sigma x plus c sigma x square. So put the values. So 90.5 equal to n 7a plus b sigma x is what? 0 plus c in bracket sigma x square is what? 28. So we get 90.5 equal to 7a plus 28c, because 0 into anything is 0, so no need to write that thing. Let us say this is equation 4. Because because there are two constant here, a and c, we are not able to get the value of either a or c. Now from equation 2, our equation 2 is something like this: sigma xy equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x square plus c sigma x cube. Let us put all values. Sigma xy, c sigma xy, that is what? 70. A into sigma x is what? 0 plus b into sigma x square, that is what? 28 plus c, and sigma x cube is also 0, and because of this we get direct value of b here. And that is the advantage we have to convert years in such a way that to get value of sigma x 0 and sigma x cube 0. Okay, so 0 into anything is 0, so we get here only 28b, and this is also 0, so we get direct value of b here 70 divided by 28. Tell me, what is it?
2.5.
2.5.
2.5. So now we have a value of b 2.5. But still we require a and c. So use equation 3. Our equation 3 is sigma x square y equal to a sigma x square plus b sigma x cube plus c sigma x raised to 4. Our x square y is 372. So here we have to write 372 equal to a into x square, that is what? 28, plus b into sigma x cube is 0, plus c into sigma x raised to 4 is 196. So here we get one another equation: 372 equal to 28a plus 0 into b is 0 and 196c. Let us say this is our equation 5. And once we have these two equations in form of a and c, you know that how to calculate value of a and c. For that we have to use the method of elimination. We have to use the method of elimination. So what we have to do in method of elimination? See, we have to compare either coefficient of a or coefficient of c. Here see, coefficient of a is 7 and here coefficient of a is 28. So any of you have any idea how to solve this two equation? What we have to do here?
Sir, by multiplying equation with 4.
Correct. Multiplying equation 4 by 4 and from equation 5 we get, now see, just multiply this by 4. So multiply this by 4, 90.5 into 4. 362. Then what we get here? 28a. And 28 into 4, that is 112c. So we have an equation 4 with multiplying equation 4 with 4 we get this thing. And now see equation 5, that is 372, keeping that as it is. So now use the method of elimination. We know that we have to subtract, we have to change the sign. So this will cancel. And now what we get here in left hand side, 362 minus 372, that is minus 10. And here minus 112 minus 196, what we get? Minus 84c. And this minus minus is plus, so we get c equal to 10 divided by 84. Tell me what is c?
0.12.
0.12. So 0.12 is the value of c. Now this value of c you can substitute either in equation 4 or in equation 5. In any of these two equations you will get the value of a, and that remains same. Either you can use equation 4 or 5. So let us use this equation 5. You can use 4, you will get the same answer. So from equation 5, what is it? 372 equal to 28a plus 196 into c. C is what? 0.12. So do this calculation. 372, therefore 372 equal to 28a plus, what is the multiplication?
23.52.
Okay, now subtract this 23.52 from 372. Yes, what is it?
348.48.
Correct. And divide that by 28.
12.45.
Once again.
12.45.
Okay, perfect. So now we have a value of A, B and C. Now use the equation. So now the second degree parabola is y equal to a plus bx plus cx square. Therefore y equal to, substitute all values. A 12.45, b we already calculated, it is 2.5. check it, 2.5. So b is 2.5. And what is our x here? It is year minus 1977 plus c, that is what? 0.12. And then x square means year minus 1977 the whole square. And that is our final answer. Okay, now in this question it is given that find out the value of y for the year 1980. So see the question. Sorry, not 80, 81. So here we have to consider year equal to 1981. Let us check the answer first of all. See, The answer is y equal to 12.45. Yes, 12.45 plus 2.5 year minus 1977. 2.5 x, you know that x is nothing but year minus 1977. See, don't consider this as x, so it's better to write year minus 1977 instead of x, plus 0.12 in bracket year minus 1977 the whole square. Okay, now let us put year equal to 1981 and calculate the value of y. So do the calculation. 12.45, this is 2.5 into 4, and this is 0.12 into 4 square, obviously 16. So y equal to 12.45 plus 10. What is the calculation? 1.92.
Yes.
So what is the total of this?
24.37.
Yes, 24.37. That is your estimated population for the year 1981. So estimated population for the year 1981 is 24.37. So that is the way to estimate by using second degree parabola. Now let us do one more example. Question number 15. The price of a commodity for the year 1990 to 95. We have a data for 1990 to 95 are given below. Fit a second degree to this data and estimate the price for the year 1996. What is the difference in these two questions? This is the question in which number of years are odd, 7 years. So it's very easy to subtract this middle year and to convert the values of x in such a way that total of that becomes 0. Here it is even, but now you know that how to do this calculation. Let us complete it. So let us start to prepare table directly without wasting time. Let us prepare table. So here year is given 1990. 91, 92, 93, 94 and 95, and price is given for a certain commodity. Price is given 100, 107, 128, 141, 181, 192. See, you can use this type of example in your practical life. How you can consider the price of petrol for the last 10 years or 5 years or 7 years or 10 years, any number of years, and use either straight line or second degree parabola and estimate. After 2-3 years you get the idea whatever your estimated value and whatever the actual price, what is the difference of that. So you will get better idea about this particular method. Okay, now whether it's really work or not in practical life, you will get the idea about that thing. Okay, now let us start. Don't consider this as x. X equal to what we have to write here. Be fast. What is x here?
1992.5.
92.
Yes, year minus 1992.5. Then what we have to do? If we do this thing, what we get here? Minus 2.5, minus 1.5, minus 0.5. And we require to calculate x square.
Yes, sir,
Yes, we have to
multiply by
multiply this by 2. Correct. So if we do this, we get minus 5, minus 3, minus 1. We get plus 1, plus 3 and plus 5. See, we require x square. x cube and x raised to 4, and if these values are in point, calculation becomes slightly difficult. So it's better to do this thing. Once again, how to get this minus 5? What you require to do? 1990 minus 1992.5, we get minus 2.5 into 2, we get minus 5. Similarly, or this calculation. Okay, what is, okay, consider this as a y. Or there is
849.
one other way. You can subtract 100 from all this value and then consider that as a y. So price minus 100, that is your y. If you want to reduce this value, so we get 0, 7, 28 if you want to reduce the value. But it's okay, because see, why we require total of x0 in equation? We require to use this frequently, and if this becomes 0, it reduces our calculation. Otherwise, what will happen? Let us discuss that thing. Let us assume our sigma x is not 0. Then what will happen? We get, if this is not 0, this is 7, let us say 7a plus, let us say the total of that is 29, so 29b plus we get something c square, something into c, sigma x square is something into c. So we get one equation having three variable a, b, c. Similarly, we get here one equation having three variable a, b, c. So we get three equation. In all three equation there are constant ABC, and it's required too much time to calculate the value of ABC. What we require to do? We have to eliminate A from equation 1 and 2. Then after we have to eliminate once again A from equation 2 and 3. So if you eliminate A from 1 and 2, you get one another equation in terms of B and C. If you eliminate A by using equation 2 and 3, we get one another equation in terms of B and C. So then after we have to solve that two equation, so you will get the value of B or C, and then you have to substitute value of either B or C in that any one of that two equation. You will get the value of C or B, and then you have to use any of these three equation, and substituting value of B and C, you will get the value of A, and it becomes too much calculative and too much lengthy, and always there is a scope for error when calculations are difficult. So it's better to convert in this way. Okay, and you can also convert this into a small number, but no need right now. You have a choice. Okay, here sigma x is 0. What is sigma y?
849.
849. Okay, x square, that is 25, 9, 1, 1, 9, 25. So sigma x square is 70. X
70.
cube minus 125 minus 27 minus 1 plus 27 and plus 125. So sigma x cube we get 0, and it will reduce our work. And x raised to 4, so take the square of this x square, so 625, 81, 1, 1, 81 and 625, and we get the values of sigma x raised to 4. What is it?
40, 40.
1414.
Correct. Now x into y and x square into y. X into y, this is x and this is y. So multiply these two, we get minus 500 minus 321. X into y minus 125, sorry 128, 141, 543 and 192 into 5, that is what? 960. Check it. Yeah, 960. So we get sigma xy here. What is it?
695.
Pardon?
695.
695. Okay. Now x square into y. This is our x square into y. 25 into 100. 2500. 9 into 107. 963. 128 into 1. 128. 141 into 1. 141. 9 into 181. Do the calculation. 9, 72, 7 and 1, 6. Check it. 9 into 1 into. So it is 9, 72, 7 and yeah, it is true. And 192 into 25. What is it? 48, 4800.
Double zero.
Correct. Now, total of this.
10161.
10161. Is it true?
Yes.
Okay. Now n is what? 6. And you know that remaining part, how to calculate that thing. So you can do remaining part by yourself. So this is enough for today. You can do this example number 16, 17, 18 and 19 by yourself. If you find any difficulty, we will discuss in our next lecture, and in next lecture we will start with one another method. Name of that method is exponential smoothing method. Exponential smoothing method. So this is enough for today. If you have any question, any doubt, you can ask your doubt.